MX Linux 25.2 Infinity has officially arrived, and this release continues the project's reputation for delivering a fast, lightweight, and dependable Linux experience without making things complicated. This new version is based on Debian 13.5 Trixie, which means updated packages, newer software, improved hardware support, and the solid Debian stability many Linux users trust every day. At the same time, the developers have added several improvements that make this release more practical for both older systems and modern hardware. One of the biggest highlights is the updated AHS edition. AHS stands for Advanced Hardware Support, and this version now includes the newer Linux 7.0 kernel along with updated Mesa graphics drivers. That combination is important because it helps newer laptops, graphics cards, Wi-Fi chips, and processors work better right out of the box. So if somebody tried MX Linux before and had hardware compatibility issues, especially with newer AMD or Intel graphics, this release could offer a much smoother experience. Meanwhile, the standard editions continue using the stable Linux 6.12 kernel from Debian. That balance is actually one of the reasons MX Linux remains popular. Users who want maximum stability can stay with the standard release, while people with newer hardware can choose the AHS version for better driver support. Another important improvement in MX Linux 25.2 is the new text mode installer. Normally, most people use the graphical installer during installation, but sometimes graphics drivers fail or older systems struggle with graphical environments. The new text installer gives users another reliable installation method that works directly inside the terminal. This may sound like a small feature, but it can be extremely useful for troubleshooting or installing Linux on difficult hardware. The MX Linux team also continues offering multiple desktop editions. The Xfce version remains the flagship edition. It's lightweight, responsive, and very beginner-friendly. There's also the KDE Plasma edition for users who prefer a more modern desktop with visual effects, advanced customization, and a Windows-like layout. And for users who want something extremely lightweight, the Fluxbox edition is still available too. One thing many Linux users appreciate about MX Linux is that the developers avoid unnecessary redesigns. Instead of constantly changing everything, they focus on keeping the system stable and useful. And honestly, that approach is becoming rare. Another feature returning in MX Linux 25.2 is dual init support. By default, most Linux distributions today use systemd, but MX Linux still gives users the option to boot with either systemd or sysv init. For advanced Linux users, that flexibility matters because it allows more control over how the system operates behind the scenes. The developers have also updated many core applications and system tools across the distribution. That includes package updates, bug fixes, security improvements, and general polishing throughout the operating system. Even though these are not flashy visual changes, they improve the overall experience in daily use. Performance is still one of MX Linux's strongest areas. The system remains lightweight enough for older computers while still feeling modern and capable on newer machines. That makes it a good option for users who want something faster than heavier Linux distributions without sacrificing usability. And unlike some beginner-focused distributions, MX Linux still gives users powerful built-in tools for system management, snapshots, package handling, driver setup, and repairs. That combination of simplicity and control is what keeps many users coming back to MX Linux year after year. Now, if you are already running MX Linux 25, you probably do not need to reinstall the operating system. A normal system update through MX Updater or the terminal should bring your existing installation up to date with the latest packages and improvements. The new ISO images are mainly useful for fresh installations or new PCs. Overall, MX Linux 25.2 Infinity may not be the flashiest Linux release of the year, but it improves the parts that actually matter. Better hardware support, updated Debian foundations, new installer improvements, modern kernel options, and the same lightweight experience MX Linux users already enjoy. For people looking for a Linux distribution that feels stable, efficient, and practical without unnecessary complexity, MX Linux 25.2 continues to be one of the strongest choices available right now.